Yep, come on. Oh. You gonna dry off? Yeah. Alright. Oh. Hey, buddy. Very careful. Alright.
Trey, you can enter your wet t-shirt contest now.
Trey, you can run through one more time and I'm going to turn the water off. You want to run through one more time? Go ahead, one more time.
Jeez.
One more time?
I'm getting you on video, so you don't have to stand still. Jeez.